So here's how to center your text in Microsoft Word. Probably you are watching this video because you want to center the text in the middle of the page, alright? I'm gonna show you exactly that in this video. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select that. Let me just make sure it is in bold font like this. Alright, then from the upper side, you will probably see this option called layout. Then again, under this page setup option, you might see this option, all right, which is a little page setup icon. So you need to press on that, and then this dialog box will appear. So under the layout section, you need to select vertical alignment to center. All right, just select the center and make sure that it will apply to the whole document, and then simply tap on OK. Now, as you can see, we got our text in the middle of the page, but it is not centered yet. All right, so for that reason, you need to select the whole text like this, and then on the home button, go with the home button, and then from here you will see the center alignment here. So you need to tap on that, and now you can see your text is in center. If you want to start again writing again from the next page, you need to do the settings first. So for that reason, again go to the layout section, and then again tap on the page setup option like this. All right, then from here you need to select the vertical alignment to top, and then apply to this point forward. All right, select this option and hit on OK. And now you can see we got into next page. All right, so from here again go to the home tab and make sure that this alignment is on the left, and then just remove the bold mark, and now you can type in anything you like from the next page. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.